So I resigned. Heading towards the goal. That's why she wants to be a. It was so easy, guys. It was so easy. Oh, I'm so happy. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I think this is another vlog. I don't even know I'm going to do it, but like, welcome. So today, this morning has been quite busy for me. Like you saw, I did a little bit of cleaning, just some cleaning that I've not been able to do for a while now, just because of work and every other thing that I have going on. So guys, if you're seeing this video, it's because I have resigned. So I resigned from work, and my last day of work was last week, the 19th of August. So now I'm jobless. So you guys, I've just been busy trying to get stuff done and just trying to settle and relax. So I'm taking this period to be some sort of vacation, because you guys, it was much needed. It was much needed. Like, it's a much needed break that I took. It's not like I took break from work, but I resigned from my job, you guys. So I'm going to put in some clips, I think, and video pictures of the send off that was organized by my amazing colleagues at work. If you're watching this, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. So as you all can see, I've been busy frying yam, frying potatoes, making sauce. I couldn't just go on with carrying the camera about, so I just like, let me concentrate. So that's what I've been doing. So I just thought to check in on you guys, because I mean, I just giving out visuals. I need to come on here and say something, right? So how you guys doing? What's up in the comment section? Let me know, how are you doing? I'd like to know. You guys, my hair is beginning to look like I have dreads on. This is just like the second week of forever. Food is still cooking. I'm still frying. I have more potatoes right now. I fried all the yams that I use, and the sauce is still. The sauce still has a lot of water in it. Hey guys. guys, welcome back. So this is much later after the last clip that you guys saw. I've just been busy after eating. I've just been busy, you guys. So yes, it's time to address or sort of address the elephant in the room. So, like I mentioned, I quit my job. You guys, ah, I'm so happy that I finally quit. Like, I love the job. I mean, it's sufficed for the period while it lasted. I'm very grateful for the job, but I just feel like it has gotten to a time where I need to move on to greater things. So, yes, and I'm so grateful that I reached the point where I could finally quit and quit with my full chest, if you know what I mean. You guys, like you saw, I think I'm going to be including clips of me during my clearance process. I have a little bit of footage about when I was doing my clearance. I'm also going to include my send off that my colleagues organized for myself and another colleague who also resigned or was also leaving the company at around the same time, you guys. So I'm going to be including that. So I used to work with a maritime company, a shipping company. So you guys, and it was located in Apapa. And you guys, if you know Apapa, you all know Apapa is the ghetto. And if you've been following me for a long time, especially on my Instagram, you must on my WhatsApp, if you're on my WhatsApp contact, you already know the drill. It's always one complaint after the other, Apapa traffic, gridlock in Apapa, the trucks are falling off the bridge. It was always something. There was always something about Apapa, there was always a complaint or the other, and I had added up to, yeah, you guys, like I had added up to, yeah, and I was praying fervently for, a much better opportunity and just an opportunity that would allow me to be able to quit and not look back. That fear of the unknown, usually that is usually what keeps us in a certain place probably for a little too long, you guys. So I'm so glad that I'm finally closing that chapter, and I'm so glad for the new chapter that I am headed to, that I'm about to open. So yeah, I just decided that okay, let me share this bit here. I'm so excited, you guys. So I'm going to be having some couple of weeks off. So I'm going to be using this to just work on my channel. This is going to allow me time now to edit, to do content, batch create, and all of that because you guys, it was a struggle doing my 9 to 5, and that kind of 9 to 5 that I did. I mean, just commuting to work alone was a huge chore. So I'm so glad that that chapter is closed. I'm very grateful to God for seeing me through it all. I mean, several times you're going on the way, you've seen all sorts of accidents, and I just pray to God that I would leave Apapa completely in good health condition and proper state of mind, not just physical well-being, but also state of mind, you guys. If you know Apapa, let me know in the comment section if you've experienced Apapa, if you live there, you work there, or you know somebody in general that has worked in Apapa. I'd like to know your thoughts about Apapa in the comment section. So guys, expect wonderful content going forward. I'm going to be letting my creative juices flow now more than ever. Not like I did used to get inspiration, but like I used to have the inspiration to do certain videos, but because I only have the weekends to film, unless of course I'm vlogging at some point during the week. So there's only so much that I can do, you guys. But I'm grateful now. I have the next couple of weeks off, to myself and my family. So I'm going to be creating more content and pushing them out to you guys. So expect a lot of amazing content going forward. Okay? And please guys, will help me thank God. Oh, your girl went into a papa complete, and I left there even more robust. No body parts missing whatsoever. I mean, I had my own fair a lot of, chaotic experiences. But I'm grateful. Nothing bad happened to me. I'm alive. I'm well. And yeah, that's the update, you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and edit this video, do a lot of things that I have to do. Thank you so much for sticking around. I'll catch you on my next one. Bye. Yep, 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 yep. For the past 5 years has been beautiful. Coming to a papa, leaving your loved ones. Along the way, there were additions. Thank God there was no subtraction. Yes, so, they went from one level of increase to greater heights. Even now that they are leaving, they are going to a better place. So it means that we have to thank God first of all before we continue. So first we are into start service. First better than smile at me is Christy. With that dimple. Yes. The first better than smile. It's only the one I did with Mr. Fernando. Yeah, I call it. I did it for us. Yeah. Mr. Fernando. Thank you so much. So, Amen. How it's just maybe it's just a lot of plans for us to meet apart from the time of the that was so it's still 1 week there in that family. So that will be crucial for say thank you to all of us so that from the other subsidiaries. Thank you to all of us that contributed to this event. Thank you all. Okay. It's been nice working with you. Like Christy, she makes a system. She's a wonderful staff. She's godly. Likewise, Tosin. Tosin might just be like, she's like a junior